What's up guys, we're starting the video off today with a quick little story time. So I went to lunch today, minding my own business, me and Bean, moseying on to lunch. We got burritos, pretty good burrito. And I guess you could say I've joined the, what would you, the depths of the looters? What, you think, no? You don't think so?
You finally began your criminal lifestyle. Or something like that.
I think we
really
just
took a turn for the backside.
I think we just, yeah. Maybe I went too deep, too quick with that.
Yeah, right. I'm joining the looters.
So I'm trying to figure out how to tell this story. And long story short, we went and got burritos, and there's a sign that says, "Don't throw away the basket."
Or else.
Or else. Don't throw away the basket. And I hopped in Bean's truck, and you know, we're just talking, and as we're about to pull out of the parking lot,
but you know,
I realized I had a basket, and you can't go back in with a basket. You have to just go at that point.
I mean, my real question to you is, how do you walk out of the burrito place with a basket in your hand? Nobody else really does.
I think it was, I had a drink in my hand, and I had the camera in one hand, and I think I just had the basket under my arm, and we just went with the flow. I mean, I got outside, I got all the way into the truck before I realized I still got this basket in my hand.
Nobody tackled you or anything?
Great time. It was a great time. No, they didn't come outside and bring the Mexican Mafia on me yet, but
not yet.
Next time I go into the burrito place,
tomorrow,
all hell is gonna break loose. Davis brings up a quality point. It says don't throw away the baskets. It says nothing about taking the baskets. So, I don't know. I guess I own a basket.
Yeah, but don't worry, they're gonna make a sign.
They're gonna make a sign. Don't throw away or steal the baskets because of me. You guys would love my tripod today. The main part of this video, good news is, that's the bad news for the day. The good news is we do have new poles, new piping for the flagpoles. The goal today, one's a little bit longer, so I gotta cut one a little bit shorter, and I gotta drill some holes and paint them black. That is the mission for today's video. I'm also using a loaf of bread as my tripod right now. Let's get this fucking bread. As my camera's about to fall over now. Whoa! All right. Yep, no more bread loaf. Oh, yep, now we're falling. Okay, yep. I should probably wear some like glasses for this, right? Thank God this pipe is not solid. This would take forever. That's really hot. All right, pipe is cut, holes are drilled. Now for the test fit. Our loops. Our loop's gonna go through there. Loop is not gonna go through there. We need different loops. Awesome. Actually, yeah, no. So we need different loops. Good news is, holes are cut and drilled. Everything looks pretty good. We just need to paint them. I know it's been like 2 seconds, but update for you guys. So we got the poles painted, we got the holes drilled, everything's smoothed out, got the caps on the top. No, it's caps on the top. Everything's looking really good. You like how I stroked that? I'm sorry, that's bad. That's bad. Anyway, so the one thing I did realize about these, I don't know how I didn't figure this out sooner. The one downfall to the hitch is obviously you can't put your tailgate down then, and even here, even if the pole wasn't there, it would sit on top of the tailgate at some point, and it hits about like right here on that. So I mean, that's one of the only design flaws that I figured out in this, but at the same time, I mean, it's something that you got to deal with. So for the video today, I'm going to finish, by God, I'm going to finish this flagpole today. Even though the rings that we have are not big enough, I have the most American way to fix this that you can think of. we're mounting an American flag, and I'm gonna fix it in the most American way possible. And yes, you guessed it, good old zip ties. Time to go to work. Bam, there you have it, the final finished product. I am very happy with myself. Other than the hitch, obviously, I made the pole, cut the pole, drilled the holes, painted it, and now we have an American flag that we can fly behind the truck. Just like that. Obviously, it's not gonna fly in the wind because it's not windy right now, but you get the point. Whoosh, flying behind there. And for those of you that haven't seen it yet, shout out to Never Satisfied Builds. I got my little shit box sticker on there. Hell yeah. Real quick, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Sharktail Hitch, at Sharktail Hitch on Instagram. If you guys have not checked out their Instagram, make sure to do so. The best all-in-one flagpole hitch for your truck, SUV, or even car if you found a way to mount a hitch on the back of that damn thing. You need to go check them out. Use the code THATWIDE2020. It will be in the link in the description below for 10% off of your purchase. That makes it like $117 before tax. Super simple. All you have to do is get a flag and a pole after that, all in one. It's like 16 gauge steel that the main hitch part is made out of, and 14 gauge steel, I think I'm saying that right, that the pole is made out of. Super awesome. It's got a bottle cap on the back. I would show you guys, but I'm not right by my truck. Make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram and go check it out and go buy one 10% off below. Do they fold forward? Oh, wow. It was like folding as I walked around with it.
You guys can call it.
Wow. Oh. 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 And then back in. Oh, at the same time. We're getting fancy now. 2020 Duramax Denali. With the leveling kit and the 37x12.50 Toyos. Riding clean. Look at that little baby squat. I see that baby squat. I think he's got some control arms on the way for it too. Oh, I hear that scrub. Man, that thing looks clean. I know you ain't parking this thing outside. Hell yeah. I'll put the mirrors in. They got the fender flares color match, the bumper color match, all the emblems. Thing is clean. So this awesome 2020 Duramax came in the other day. We've got a lot of paint work done, a lot of paint matching, color matching done. We put some, I want to say it was 3-inch leveling keys in it. So it is sitting about 3 inches higher in the front. And we've got some new powder coated upper control arms going on this thing as well. This thing looks really good. It's gonna look even better when it gets done. I'm super, super happy with how this is turning out. This thing looks freaking awesome. This video might have ended up being all over the place, and the reason for that is I left my camera at work last night, so I get to work this morning and I gotta finish off the video for you guys. First time that's ever happened, but we made sure to get a video out for the day so we can continue our 100-day goal straight daily vlog. So, I'm ending the video off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.
I know I said, so today is day 69, I believe, 69 or 70. And I told you guys I was gonna grow the mustache out until we hit day 100, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I cut the scraggly ass beard off, but I don't know if I can do the mustache for another 30 days. I don't know about that. We'll see.